Few shapes in automotive history have been as instantly recognizable as the Volkswagen Beetle. Its rounded silhouette, curved fenders, and friendly demeanor carried a kind of charm that made it far more than just a mode of transport. It became a cultural icon. Conceived in pre-war Germany as a car for the people, the Beetle's mission was simple: to bring mobility to everyone. Its design focused on practicality, durability, and affordability, all wrapped in a form that was unintentionally endearing. Beneath its curvy shell rested a simple yet ingenious mechanical layout. The engine sat in the rear, an air-cooled flat four that made a distinct chugging sound wherever it went. While modest in power, it was remarkably efficient and easy to maintain, capable of running in conditions that would stop many others. That rear engine setup also gave the Beetle excellent traction, particularly on rough or snowy roads, which made it a global traveler from Europe to South America and beyond. Inside, simplicity ruled. The cabin was uncluttered, with only what was needed to drive. Metal surfaces, a single large speedometer, and a thin steering wheel reminded everyone that this was a car built for purpose, not luxury. Yet, despite its minimalism, the Beetle felt welcoming. Its upright seating, wide windows, and unmistakable smell of oil and vinyl made every journey a familiar one. Families packed it to the brim, couples took it on weekend escapes, and students found freedom behind its wheel. Over the decades, the Beetle evolved but never lost its essence. Subtle design tweaks appeared: larger windows, updated bumpers, more powerful engines, but its personality remained unchanged. Each new generation carried the same spirit of simplicity, reliability, and approachability that had defined it from the start. In the 1960s and 70s, the Beetle became something much more than transportation. It became a symbol. It stood for freedom, individuality, and counterculture. Painted in bright colors, adorned with flowers, or carrying surfboards on the roof, it was the car of a generation that sought joy in simplicity. Its engine hum became the soundtrack of countless road trips and adventures. The Beetle's longevity was astonishing. For decades, it rolled off production lines across continents, with more than 21 million units built. Even as automotive technology advanced and competitors came and went, the Beetle remained. It proved that sometimes the simplest ideas endure the longest. When Volkswagen revived it in the late 1990s, the new Beetle carried forward that nostalgic design but with modern comforts. It paid homage to the original with its rounded form and friendly face, yet added features like air conditioning, safety systems, and improved engines. Later, the 2011 redesign gave it a sportier stance while maintaining that unmistakable heritage. The story of the Beetle isn't just about engineering, it's about emotion. It connected people to memories, from first drives to cross-country journeys, from student days to family holidays. Its charm transcended age and culture. Few cars could make strangers smile just by passing by. Even as production ended in 2019, the Beetle's legacy continued to roll on roads and in hearts. Restored classics still hum through cities and beaches, carrying the same optimism they always did. Its design remains timeless, a perfect blend of function and friendliness that no car has quite replicated. The Beetle was more than metal and rubber. It was personality on wheels, proof that true icons never fade, they just keep driving through time.